Now we're going to do a little game where you're going to play with some different people throughout the circle. We don't know where they're going to be. Could be anywhere at any time. I'm going to call out the months of the year. If you were born in that month, you're going to play. Make sense? Nod your head if you get it. All right, good. All right, seeing that we're in the month of February, and my birthday is in February, we're going to start with this month. So on my count, everybody will stop except the February birthdays. And maybe you can find somebody in the circle who shares your birthday month with you. 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go. I knew it. Nice, keep going, February. On my count, we're gonna switch over to all the March birthdays. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, and switch. Nice. April, get ready. 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. Wow, a lot of bass in April. Get ready, May. 4, 3, 2, 1. All the May birthdays. Nice. June. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, 1, and June. Get ready, July. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now July. August. 4, 3, 2, 1. September. 4, 3, 2, 1. Make the connection. They might be all the way on the other side of the room. You don't know. October. 4, 3, 2, 1. November. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Nice. December, get ready. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Oh my goodness, there's a drummer in December. And last but not least, it's gonna be January. Even if there's only one person, you gotta try to play louder than Mr. Charlie over here. And a 4, and a 3, and a 2, and a 1. January. I knew it. I knew there was only going to be one person. Wow. Keep going. Is there any other? Who else is January? 2 Januaries. Is that it? January. Come on. Now we go in reverse order. Keep going, January. Let's add December back in. Come on, December. And November. And October. September. August. July.